Mobile Developer Interview Practice Questions, Set 9. Question 1. What is live data used for in Android? A. Observing and updating UI data changes. B. Handling network requests. C. Managing UI layouts. D. Storing application data. The correct answer is A. Observing and updating UI data changes. Live data is a lifecycle-aware component that helps manage UI updates in response to data changes. Question 2. Which widget in Flutter is used for user input? A. Text field. B. List view. C. Container. D. Row. The correct answer is A. Text field. Text field is the Flutter widget used to collect user input as text. Question 3. What is the function of onCreate in Android? A. Initializes the activity. B. Pauses the activity. C. Starts background services. D. Handles user input. The correct answer is A. Initializes the activity. OnCreate is called when an Android activity is created, initializing UI and data. Question 4. What is MapKit used for in iOS? A. Displaying maps and handling location data. B. Managing app UI layout. C. Handling notifications. D. Networking and API calls. The correct answer is A. Displaying maps and handling location data. MapKit is used for integrating maps and location-based services in iOS apps. Question 5. Which tool is used to profile Android apps? A. Android Profiler. B. Android Studio. C. Xcode. D. Flutter DevTools. The correct answer is A. Android Profiler. Android Profiler helps to monitor performance, memory usage, and CPU activity in Android apps. Question 6. Which class in Flutter handles app lifecycle? A. Widgets Binding Observer. B. State. C. App Lifecycle. D. Flutter Engine. The correct answer is A. Widgets Binding Observer. Widgets Binding Observer is used to listen for lifecycle changes of the Flutter app. Question 7. What is Android Jetpack? A. A set of Android libraries and tools. B. A library for UI components. C. A framework for network requests. D. An image processing library. The correct answer is A. A set of Android libraries and tools. Android Jetpack is a collection of libraries to improve app development efficiency and architecture. Question 8. Which iOS component is used for presenting views? A. UI View Controller. B. UI Button. C. UI View. D. UI Stack View. The correct answer is A. UI View Controller. UI View Controller is responsible for managing views and coordinating transitions in iOS apps. Question 9. Which method is used to access the network in Android? A. HTTP URL connection. B. Volley. C. Retrofit. D. Async task. The correct answer is A. HTTP URL connection. HTTP URL connection is a Java class for sending HTTP requests in Android apps. Question 10. Which iOS API is used for managing local notifications? A. User notifications. B. Core data. C. Core location. D. Notification center. The correct answer is A. User notifications. User Notifications Framework provides APIs to schedule and manage local notifications in iOS. Question 11. What is Redux used for in Flutter? A. State management. B. UI design. C. Networking. D. Database management. The correct answer is A. State management. Redux is a state management pattern to manage app state in a predictable manner. Question 12. What does the context class represent in Android? A. Access to app resources and services. B. A UI component. C. A thread handler. D. An activity controller. The correct answer is A. Access to app resources and services. Context provides access to system services and application-level resources in Android. Question 13. What is UI image view used for in iOS? A. Displaying images. B. Handling button taps. C. Displaying text. D. Creating animations. The correct answer is A. Displaying images. UI image view is used to display images in iOS applications. Question 14. Which widget in Flutter is used to create a scrollable list? A. List view. B. Grid view. C. Column. D. Row. The correct answer is A. List view. List view widget is used to display a scrollable list of widgets in Flutter. Question 15. Which Android component listens for broadcast messages? A. Broadcast receiver. B. Activity. C. Service. D. Content provider. The correct answer is A. Broadcast receiver. Broadcast receiver listens for system and app-specific broadcast messages in Android. Question 16. What is MVVM used for in mobile development? A. Architectural pattern for managing UI and data. B. User input validation. C. Background task management. D. UI layout management. The correct answer is A. Architectural pattern for managing UI and data. MVVM, Model View Model, separates UI logic from business logic and data. Question 17. Which class in Android is used for background tasks? A. Async task. B. Handler. C. Thread. D. Intent service. The correct answer is A. Async task. Async task is used for performing background operations in Android apps. Question 18. What is the image view used for in iOS? A. Display images. B. Handle user gestures. C. Create text labels. D. Manage scrollable content. The correct answer is A. Display images. Image view is used to display images in an iOS app's user interface. Question 19. Which method in iOS is used to request location permissions? A. Request when in use authorization. B. Start location updates. C. Enable location services. D. Get location. The correct answer is A. Request when in use authorization. Request when in use authorization is used to request location permission in iOS apps. Question 20. Which Android API is used for in-app purchases? A. Billing client. B. Intent service. C. Payment gateway. D. Purchase service. The correct answer is A. Billing client. Billing client is the API used for managing in-app purchases in Android apps.